Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is an exciting day because I just received my Google Cloud Arcade program Advanced Milestone swags. And in this video, I will be unboxing these awesome goodies and telling you how you can earn these swags too. So stick around till the end and enjoy the unboxing. So first up, we have this stylish backpack with 25 liters of capacity with Google Cloud logo. Isn't it amazing? Giving it a premium touch. And we got the other swags packed in this backpack only, so let's open it. Next up, we have this stylish black pen having Google Cloud branding. But wait, it has rubber tip, makes it touchscreen friendly, so you can use it on your phone or tablet. Next up, we have this amazing black hoodie. With Google Cloud branding. It is super comfortable, stylish, and perfect for any tech enthusiast. Now we got this box with amazing packing. Let's see what's in it. And check this out, this is the arcade mug, having 350 ml of capacity. What's special? It is made up of eco-friendly natural wood, has an antique style finish. Alright guys, now let's get back to the backpack. It is a solid, stylish and functional backpack. Having 25 liters of cool capacity, having laptop space too in Google Cloud Arcade Facilitator program, a premium swag for those who achieved the advanced milestone. And the zippers are also very smooth and durable. Let's talk about the build. The backpack is made from high quality durable fabric. It has a sleek black design combined with Google Cloud branding, designed to withstand daily wear tear. We got multiple compartments and a padded sleeve for laptop. Also it has space for 2 water bottles. Let's go to the bonus part of this video. Google is giving you 50% off on any Google Cloud certification. Just use the code Certify today. But hurry, this offer ends till 30th of April. Guys, if you want to get these awesome swags, make sure to join the Google Arcade program. Complete the labs and reach the milestones. You can get much more better prizes and swags. The more arcade points you will earn in this program, you will get the highest milestone and premium goodies. This is a free opportunity to leverage your cloud skills from Google. Hope you guys like this video. That's it for today. Comment down your suggestions and questions and share this video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching.